Hey everybody, Josh here, and today we're talking about brakes. Yeah, I know, I'm excited too. Now, noises, vibrations, longer stopping distances, spongy brake pedals, even a warning light in the dash can all be signs that it's time to replace your pads and rotors. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about front brake pads, but know that GM Genuine Parts and ACDelco has a full line of brake products for your vehicle. This is a job you may be able to do yourself with time, tools, and training. But if the job seems too big, no worries. Visit a GM dealer or a local ACDelco professional service center. If you're looking to install a different brake product, be on the lookout for our other brake videos. Instructions for your vehicle might be different than those from this 2018 GMC Terrain, especially related to jacking and tire removal. Since we're doing the front brake pads on this GMC, we'll start on solid ground by popping the hood and checking the fluid level in the brake master cylinder reservoir. Since the brake fluid level is midway between the maximum full point and the minimum allowable level, we don't have to remove any fluid before proceeding. If your fluid level is higher than midway between the maximum full point and the minimum allowable level, you'll need to remove fluid to the midway point before getting started. Now we can safely raise and support the vehicle and remove its tire and wheel assembly. You'll want to place a large C-clamp over the brake caliper body and against the outer brake pad. Using the C-clamp, carefully compress the brake caliper piston fully into the brake caliper bore. Remove the brake caliper guide pin. Loosen the inner brake pad by twisting a screwdriver between the inner brake pad and the brake caliper. Now you can remove the front brake caliper. Pivot the brake caliper upward and secure it with heavy mechanics wire or the equivalent. Remove the front disc brake pad retaining springs. Remove the inner disc brake pad, then the outer disc brake pad. Now thoroughly clean the disc brake pad retaining spring contact area and surfaces of the brake caliper bracket. Leave no corrosion or debris behind. Apply M77 paste to the disc brake pad retaining spring where all four of the brake pad tabs contact the spring. Then install the disc brake pad retaining spring with the tab in the leading edge of the brake caliper bracket. Apply brake cleaner and install the outer and inner disc brake pads. The front disc brake pad retaining springs and the front brake caliper. Install the brake caliper guide pin bolt. Tighten to 30 foot-pounds. Install the tire and wheel assembly and then safely lower the vehicle from the jack. With the engine off, gradually apply the brake pedal to approximately 2/3 of its travel distance. Slowly release the brake pedal. Wait 15 seconds and reapply the same 2/3 pressure to the brake pedal until it's firm. Fill the brake master cylinder reservoir to the maximum full level from a clean sealed bottle of the appropriate ACDelco brake fluid for your vehicle. After a few firm stops to burnish your new pads and rotors, you're ready to start stopping. Start stopping, I think that's an oxymoron. I don't know, but what I do know is your brake components have been designed, engineered, tested, and most importantly, backed by General Motors.